These aircraft consist of different seat configurations and features. It is important to note Star
guilty to manslaughter by gross criminal negligence. The defence will argue that the accused was not...
Aviation is responsible for cleaning Q suites, business class, economy class, lavatories, and wiping down the galleys. Before we begin cleaning the aircraft, let's take a look at the cabin cleaning checklist. It is important to ensure you're ready for your shift before you step onto the aircraft. Please ensure you're wearing Star uniform as outlined in the uniform guide. This also includes wearing personal protective equipment and safety shoes at all times. Prior to commencing your shift, please ensure you have all the cleaning products required and ready to use on the aircraft. This includes any spray bottles, cloths, rubbish bags or vacuums. Vacuums are fully charged and available to use on the aircraft, and that you're aware of your allocated cleaning section. Please note, if you finish your allocated cleaning section earlier than expected, please ask your team leader what other tasks you can assist with to help out the team. It is important to note that the cabin cleaning employees are required to collect all general cabin cleaning waste. As these items are classified as biosecurity waste, our staff are to dispose such items in black rubbish bags, and then double bag once black bag is full into the yellow biosecurity waste bag. To reduce cross-contamination, red wipes are to be used for cabin lavatories only. Microfiber cloths are to be used for general cabin cleaning sections such as tray tables, overhead compartments, walls, and other surfaces. If you're allocated to clean business class or Q suites, you'll be required to clean the seat and seat pocket compartments to ensure they're free from debris or rubbish, wipe tray tables, armrests and compartments inclusive of overheads and walls using the approved cleaning solution Colour 1452. Once you have cleaned the seat and removed rubbish, please ensure you cross seat belts neatly. Place the blanket on the seat with pillow in front of it.
Take your lashes to paradise.
Vacuum the business section floor to ensure cabin is free from any debris or rubbish. No slippers are given out on the Qatar flights. The crew attend to collecting off the old headphones and replacing the new. Staff should place the headphones in a common area on the front credenza. Safety cards are placed in the compartment to the right of the business class seat. If you're allocated to clean economy class, you'll be required to clean the seat and seat pocket seat and remove rubbish. Please ensure you cross seat belts neatly. Place the blanket on the seat with pillow in front of it. Vacuum the business section floor to ensure cabin is free from any debris or rubbish. No slippers are given out on the Qatar flights. The crew attend to collecting off the old headphones and replacing the new. Staff should place the headphones in a common area on the front credenza. Safety cards are placed in the compartment to the right of the business class seat. If you're allocated to clean economy class, you'll be required to clean the seat and seat pocket compartments and ensure that they're free from debris and rubbish, wipe tray tables, armrests and compartments inclusive of overheads and walls using the approved cleaning solution Colour 1452, remove the old pillowcase and replace with a new disposable pillowcase, remove old headrest and replace with a new disposable headrest. Once you have cleaned the seat and removed rubbish, please ensure you cross seat belts neatly and place the pillow upright against the back of the seat. Vacuum the economy section to ensure the cabin is free from debris and rubbish. For economy class, you'll be required to ensure magazines and information cards are displayed in the correct order. The correct order for economy class includes safety card with seat bag end hanging over the top and behind. In the instance you're allocated cleaning section that has soiled seat, please change the seat covers with a fresh cover. Qatar are very particular about this process and check through the aircraft vigorously to ensure there are no stained or soiled seat covers. The economy seat covers are located at the front of the aircraft in the business overheads, however, can get moved around. If you cannot locate them, please ask your team leader, who will check with the airline representative. The soiled seat covers can be placed inside the plastic bag that the new ones came in. Once done, place it in the same cabinet where the seat covers were found. There are no spares for business seats, so if a stain is found, it needs to be cleaned with a damp cloth. Place the seat cover in the bag provided. Any change to the seat covers must be reported to engineering, as they will note it in the aircraft technical log. Please also report it to your team leader so they can note it on the flight report. If you're allocated to clean lavatories, you will be required to empty the bins and ensure no rubbish is left in the surrounding drawers. Clean or wipe surface areas using Star Aviation's approved cleaning solution CALAR 1452. Qatar are very particular about stains on the walls and surrounds. The best way to get the stains out in these areas is with warm water mixed with approved cleaning chemical. Clean toilet bowl and surround so they're free from stains. Replace the toilet paper, tissues and paper towels in the compartments. And finally, spray with the air freshener. Remove any rubbish or debris, wipe down bench tops and cupboard doors, vacuum and mop the floors. In the instance you find customers' personal belongings such as a phone or a wallet, please take a note of seat row and number where you found the item. Then notify your team leader immediately. Your team leader will then notify the appropriate airline representative. Team leaders will then check the cabin from the back of the aircraft to the front to check team's work and to make sure that the cabin is free from any rubbish and that all seats are allocated with pillow, blankets and headrests. Thank you for watching this video and for representing the Star brand.
Qatar.